How to hide trend on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide a trend on Twitter. First thing we're gonna do is go to Twitter and then click this icon here. This icon, click on it, and then all you need to do is just click here on this 3 points, click on it, and then just click this one. Not interested in this, click on it, and as you see, trend has been hidden. And that's how hide a trend on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.